Hello, my name is George Myhall. This is the Office of Image Archaeology. The subject of the following film is the evolving styles, design, and construction of furniture as seen from a point of view nearly 100 years ago. Titled Furniture Making, the film was produced by Eastman Classroom Films, giving examples of the craftsmanship and the equipment and how designs of the period and even today have been influenced by furniture makers from the past. The filmmaker provides several imaginative short skits that contain examples of furniture from key periods in history that have influenced designs of the day. This is a silent educational film where title cards, stock film footage, and visual clues are used to teach lessons the film producers intended to impart to the students. Before getting into the film, though, I'd like to answer a question that was posed to me in one of my other posts. The question was, how do I know what year the film was made if there's no other information included with the film? The truth is that we have to guess using clues that we find in the film. If you get really lucky, you might find an old calendar on a wall in a film with a year and the month. Sometimes the registration tag on a car might give you both date and location. In some films, I can only take an educated guess based on clothing styles, the latest automobile in a film, or the type of telephone seen somewhere in the footage. In some cases, it might be a well-known event, and I use the internet to pin down the date and location. Fortunately, in the case of most films, as in this one, we can use what is called an edge code. It's found on almost all film in one manner or another. This code contains specific information about the film that might identify the type of film stock used, whether it was flammable nitrate or safety film, where the film was produced, the film manufacturer, the year, and sometimes even the month when it was produced. This film, manufactured by Kodak, uses a date code represented by symbols and is shown here as a black triangle and a square set close together. With this information, it can be determined that, according to the Kodak Eastman date code chart, this film was produced in 1924. The only other information contained in this edge code is that it is Kodak's safety positive film. I would also mention that I have added music to this film. I have used a background of antique 16mm projector sound in the past. It is what you would naturally hear if you were watching the film when it was originally produced. Some folks can be extremely rude when they forget where that volume button is at, so I hope you enjoy the music and the film. If so, please subscribe, like, click that notification bell so you don't miss my next post, and above all, please share.
Cathedral bells were tolling, and our hearts sang on. Was it the spell of Paris or the April dawn? Who knows if we shall meet again? But when the morning chimes ring sweet again, I'll be seeing you in all the old familiar places that this heart
man and I ain't together. It's raining all the time. Life is bare, gloom and misery everywhere. Stormy weather, can't get my poor self together. So weary all the time. So weary all the time. When he went away, the blues walked in and met me. If he stays away, old rocking chair will get me. All I do is pray that the Lord above will let me walk in the sun once more. I can't go on. Everything I had is gone. Stormy weather, since my man and I ain't together. It's raining all the time. It's raining all the time. Since he went away, the blues walked in and met me. If he stays away, old rocking chair will get me. All I do is pray that the Lord above will let me walk in the sun once more. I can't go on. Everything I had is gone. Stormy weather, since my man and I ain't together. It's raining all the time. It's raining all the time.
By the sea, by the beautiful sea, you and I, oh how happy we'll be. When each wave comes a-rolling in, we will duck or swim, and we'll float and fool around the water, over and under, and then up for air.
Pie is rich, pie is rich,
Ah,
so now
why do we care? Boom, boom, boom. I love to be beside your side, beside the seaside, by the beautiful sea.
By the sea, by the sea, by the beautiful sea, you and I, oh how happy we'll be. When each wave comes a-rolling in,
We will duck or swim.
oh, and we'll float and fool around the water, under and over and then up for air. Paul is rich, Paul is rich, so now what do we care?
None.
I love to be beside your side, beside the sea, beside the seaside.
By the beautiful, beautiful sea. By the beautiful sea, you and I, oh how happy we'll be. When each wave comes a-rolling in, we will duck or swim, and we'll float and fool around the water,
Over and under and then up for air. Pie is rich, mine is rich, so now what do we care?
boom, boom, boom.
I love to be beside your side, beside the sea, beside the seaside, by the beautiful sea.
your side, beside the seaside, by the beautiful sea. Summertime, in the good old summertime, rolling through the shady lane, with your baby mine. You hold her hand and she holds yours, and that's a very good sign that she's your tootsie wootsy in the good old summertime. There's a time in each year that we always hold dear, good old summertime. That is the time for down at the seashore, good old summertime. Then under the shade of the old apple tree, that's when life is one beautiful rhyme. You're strolling along and your life is a song in the good old summertime. In the good old summertime, in the good old summertime, strolling through the shady lanes with your baby mine. You hold her hand and she holds yours, and that's a very good sign that she's your tootsie wootsy in the good old summertime. In the good old summertime, in the good old summertime, strolling through the shady lanes with your baby mine. You hold her hand and she holds yours, and that's a very good sign that she